Well-running NFTs. It is important to understand that if you're interested in NFTs, it is advisable to have a thorough understanding of them. Currently, there are millions of NFTs for sale, and it appears that thousands of new projects are launched each day. It is therefore a matter of question as to how one can sort through all of the noise in order to try and determine which NFT projects to follow and possibly invest in. So watch this video till the end to find out. Hey everyone, welcome to Nft Explained for Beginners, a perfect channel for everything about NFTs. Make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. And in today's video, we'll be sharing with you the best 10 NFT projects on the market today. Having said that, now let's get started. There's nothing quite like an onslaught of information concerning blockchain news to leave one's head scratching. Corporations have begun acquiring NFTs, which are sometimes offered online for exorbitant prices, which has piqued their interest. And from the art market to video games, tokens have found their way into everything over the past 2 years. NFT critics claim that they are nothing more than a waste of money, while NFT supporters argue that they are more than simple virtual tickets. But today we're going to tell you about some of the best running NFTs on the market, so let's get started. Number 10, Autograph.io. I would describe this as an online marketplace rather than a project that mainly focuses on athletes, entertainment, culture, and unique digital experiences for consumers. Tom Brady was co-founder of the project, which enjoyed tremendous support including Naomi Osaka, Wayne Gretzky, Tiger Woods, and others on the board of advisors. At the moment, the main focus of Autograph.io is athletes, including authentic signatures of the professionals, future drop access, and access to a private Discord channel. Because of the support and backing of everyone involved, it will be interesting to see how this project develops. Although the website focuses primarily on sports right now, it will soon expand to include entertainment as well as unique digital in-person experiences. Number 9, DECENTRALAND. There is a virtual world called DECENTRALAND which has its own autonomous decentralized organization that provides control to virtual space users. It's similar to Second Life in that DECENTRALAND is an online world that gives its users the opportunity to create an avatar, interact with other users, and take part in anything from concerts to art exhibitions to building houses on their digital plots. Even if they aren't physically together, friends can gather for events and share a sense of community even if they aren't physically together. A virtual world called Second Life, which was one of the first of its kind, reached 1 million monthly users in 2013, and it still has hundreds of thousands of users. The experience in DECENTRALAND is entirely different. In DECENTRALAND, you can find a lot of NFTs, everything from the virtual plots of land to the artwork on the walls of the virtual galleries, they're NFTs. Ownerships also allow users to influence the goals and policies that govern the virtual world. Number 8, Atom Bomb Squad. For those of you who love streetwear fashion, then the Atom Bomb Squad project is what you should check out. The Atom Bomb Squad is a streetwear brand that was founded by the Hundreds, who launched their brand in 2003. Almost every Atom Bomb Squad NFT features a bomb and a background on it. The Hundreds have designed all bombs at some point in the last 18 years, and the majority of them have been printed on t-shirts, apparel, and billboards. It's a threefold project which aims to bring identity, community, and ownership to the realm of non-fiction texts. The Hundreds are famous for their atom bomb, and the Atom Bomb Squad project looks to document the 18-year history and use of this character throughout the years. Number 7, Creature World. Daniel Cole is a 21-year-old visual artist from New York City who wants his Creature World project to actualize imagination. Even though the project itself is generating quite a bit of buzz in the NFT space, it remains rather mysterious. The creatures at www.creature.world will guide you through a virtual journey as they show you how to use the sites. But in general, it's unclear whether you purchase characters that will eventually make their way into the virtual world or whether that is the project's intention. We are looking forward to see how this project develops as the secrecy of the project is quite captivating. Number 6, CLAYLINGS. This NFT project has a clay aesthetic, very different from many of the NFT art projects that are now very popular, including many pixelated NFT art projects. The project is another highly sought after one, and at the moment it's ranked 5th in overall trending volume. CLAYLINGS is a blockchain-based animation platform that will launch 4,040 characters based on the clay animation format. The important goal of the project is to establish a claymation short film that can feature one of the previously minted characters. You know, it would be really cool if your character were to appear in the movie one day, wouldn't it? Number 5, Nouns. The Nouns project aims to create long-term value and expand the project by bootstrapping identity, community, governance, and a treasury. Every day, Nouns.wtf will mint a new noun. The unique thing about Noun is that they have created their own decentralized autonomous organization treasury that collects 100% of the funds collected from the sale of their tokens. Treasures will be controlled and governed by Noun holders who will decide what they will be used for, how it will be used, and the direction in which it will be taken. Number 4. BOYZ. BOYZ is a collection of 11,111 unique ERC-721 tokens, each of which has its own unique identifier. Each of them is generated by Ethereum blockchain, and NFT is designed with full membership to a rapidly growing community and a wide range of wonderful utilities built in. As part of preparations for the journey to the moon, the NFTs are well designed to appeal to a wide range of investors. In order to do this, there has been sustained efforts to keep all the arms and legs inside the spaceship until it reaches its final destination, one file at a time. Number 3. The Mechaverse. The Mechaverse is a generative platform that has 8,888 mechas, each of which contain dozens of elements that come from the Japan mecha universe. Founded by Maddie and Matt B., two friends and 3D artists who have dived headfirst into the NFT realm of 3D animation and rendering, Mechaverse was created. The Mechaverse plan includes 3D printed toys that bring to life the mechas in a unique and interactive way. There is still much to do for the Mechaverse project, as a roadmap is being driven by the founders and holders of the characters. In the future, it is hoped that the project will create streetwear, collaborate with famous artists, and possibly make short films featuring the characters. Number 2. Crypto Baristas. Crypto Baristas Season 1 aims to launch with 60 caffeine-loving characters whose ownership helps conceptualize and open the world's first NFT-funded cafe. A Crypto Barista owner is entitled to caffeinated perks for life at all future cafes and websites. Owners of the project also control a 15% fund set aside from revenue generated for future use in the coffee space, known as the Barista Bank. One such use of the Barista Bank could be to donate to coffee-related charity organizations to advance the Crypto Barista project, or to start a brand new project. Crypto Barista is a project designed to solve 3 issues commonly faced by many NFT projects: the lack of governance, the lack of community, and the lack of ownership. The project will evolve through a seasonal launch in which each season will focus on a new endeavor within the coffee industry, while also providing perks and governance to all holders. And finally, number 1, VFriends. The NFT platform VFriends is developed by Gary Vaynerchuk and is a result of his efforts. There are usually 10,225 tokens involved, which include admission tokens, GOAT gifts, and access tokens. The owner of these tokens has customized them with various doodles and drawings in order to make them appealing and attractive. These tokens can also be backed by some unique technology that is found in NFT. In this sense, they can be described as rescuers. The purpose of this NFT is to offer the user a chance to develop meaningful and intellectual property in the form of technology. It's a project that's ambitious in the sense that it reveals what NFTs may be capable of. Using this approach, Gary Vee makes us realize the vitality of NFTs as well as the difference between blockchain and tokenized exchanges. And that's it. But what are your favorite NFTs? Tell us in the comments. And for more such content, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. And that's all for the day. See you in the next one. Until then, peace out.